Life can get overwhelming with the constant messages, notifications, misinformation, and scrolling. And then there's the endless screen time, whether it's at work, on your phone, or simply spending time with the family watching TV. So what I've done is put together 7 habits that you can start. Just pick one each day. It's not about giving things up. It's about finding your digital life balance. Day 1, 1 app free hour. Take a break from your most used app for just 60 minutes. If you do check, don't feel guilty. It's just about awareness. Day 2, silence notifications. Set up focus mode or turn off non-essential notifications. Notice what you don't miss. Day 3, phone-free morning. Start your day without your phone for the first 30 minutes. Get ready, make a drink, perhaps even journal. Anything to distract you from going to your phone. Day 4, declutter 5 apps. Delete or hide 5 apps that you've not used in the last 30 days. Clean phone, clean mind, and that's it. Day 5, grayscale after 8 p.m. Turn your phone to black and white after 8 p.m. It reduces your dopamine hit and you're less likely to scroll. Give it a go, see what you think. Day 6, no phone walk. Go for a walk without your phone for at least 10 minutes. No music, no podcasts, just your mind and your own awareness. See how you get on. Day 7, screen reset. Do a digital spring clean. Check your screen time so you know how much time you've been spending on certain apps. Clear your badge notifications and tidy your home screen. You can download the free 7-day checklist by clicking on the link. Let me know how you get on by commenting, give me a like, subscribe and follow.